Welcome back. In the previous video, we were working with the speed controller, which essentially was tied onto a camera and allowed us to be able to follow what was going on as we were in the game. Now, we've done some configuration. We've implemented a 2D blend tree, and we've set everything up in the previous video. So in this video, all we're going to do now is a quick run through of us actually working with the implementation of the 2D blend tree via user input. So we're playing now, and as you can see, if I go ahead and hold the forward arrow, you see the value on the vertical axis being changed. If I go ahead and press left, there's a value going left. If I press right, and you can see the different animation clips lighting up depending on whatever it is that I'm actually doing with the controller. Okay, so to see how we've actually set the blend tree up, watch the previous video. But for the time being, just to give you a high level understanding as what's going on as far as scripts are concerned, we go back to the project view. Number one, we had to make sure that we changed the actual character that's being utilized. So if we look here on the JSON character, we've switched off the speed controller, which again we were working with previously, and we've implemented this new controller called basic input controller. So if we have a look on the code, essentially all we're doing, again, we have the animator variable, we grab the animator from the actual character, and then within the update we grab the horizontal and the vertical axis. We apply a scale weighting based on the defaults that have been read in. What I mean by that is, so if we go back to the animator itself, if you notice here, if I drag all the way to, let's go ahead and stop the game. If we go ahead all the way to the right or all the way to the left, you're in a minus 2.32 to 2.32 range. So that's what we have here as the scale for the horizontal axis. And if you go to the maximum that you can use on the vertical axis, that's 5.66, and essentially we're just scaling up whatever value we get back from the input for the vertical axis, and then assigning those to the animator, and then that will actually play those values through to these parameters, for which they'll then end up hitting the actual locomotion. So if I go ahead and play that again, just to give a quick step through. Right, so again, that's me holding down the forward arrow. If I head right, I keep running right, and if I head left, I keep running left. Right, so that's it for this video. We're going to stop the animation, stop the video here, and pick things up in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.